Hello, cutie pies. Good morning. Hope so. This is a wonderful morning for you. Okay. In English period, we are discussing about our third chapter of English grammar. This is noun, singular, and plural. Day before yesterday, we have learned the first and second rule of nouns, how to make a plural form. Today, we will see the next rule. Okay. So let's see. Come on. Singular and plural. First, we will discuss or we'll revise what we have learned day before yesterday. In that picture, we see in the picture A, singular nouns are there: pillow, cushion, book, cup, stool, sofa, painting, vase. Then in the next picture, picture B, there are the plural form. Plural means what? More than one. So we can see 4 paintings, 3 cushions, 2 books, 2 cups, 2 stools, 2 sofas. We are joining yes, or some letters to make it plural. Okay, so in the picture A, singular nouns or singular form is there, and in the picture B, plural form is there. Noun can be referred singular or plural. That means one thing or more than one thing. Noun means what? Noun means the name of person, animal, place, or thing. Okay, it can be singular or it can be plural. Then a noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called the singular noun. If the noun is one girl, one lion, one house, one laptop, these all things are one. If the noun is one, that time it's called singular. We are taking revision only, okay? That means what is the plural noun then? If the noun is more than one, it's called plural form. Okay, plural noun. 2 persons are there, that means people, animals, places, things. If the anything is more than one, that means these are the plural. Okay, plural that means more than one, and singular that means one. There are some rules to change a form into singular to from singular to plural. Okay, many times generally we join yes and make it plural, like a boy, boys, cat, cats, flower, flowers. What we have done here? We have joined yes to these spellings and make it plural. Boy, boys, B-O-Y, boy, B-O-Y-S, boys. So we have joined yes here and we made the plural form of these nouns. But every time we cannot do this because we have to follow some rules. There are some specific rules to make a plural form. What these are? The first rule, if the noun or if the name end with the CH, SS, X, and Z. Z, that means Z. Okay, CH, SS, X, or Z. If the noun ends with this name, that time we have to join ES and make the plural form. Ostrich, the last letters are CH. If the C, because the CH is there, we have to join ES. Why? Because our rule says like this. If the nouns end with the CH, SH, SS, X, Z, or O, that time, or S, that time we have to join ES. Okay. Here ostrich, ostriches, bus, buses, dish, dishes. Then same here. If the noun ends with the O, that time also we have to join ES and make the plural form. But this rule is not for the all words. Some words ends with the O, then also we have to join yes only. Here, these words ending with O and we have to join ES. Potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. These words, these nouns follow the rules. But some naughty words are here. Those are not following rules. These nouns are like photo and piano. Photo and piano, both words ends with the O, letter O. The last word, last letter is O. P-H-O-T-O, O, photo. And P-I-A-N-O, piano, the last letter is O. But these are the naughty words. They don't follow the rules. So the rule says if the word ends with the letter O, that time join ES. But here we cannot do this because these are the naughty words. They don't follow the rules. So we have to join yes and make the plural form. Till this rule till here we have learnt day before yesterday. Okay, hope so you understood it well. It's so easy. Now we will see our next rule. What is our next rule says? Next rule says we have learned generally we join yes and make the plural form. If the noun ends with the ch, sh, x, o, z or ss or sh, that time we join es and make it plural. Okay, it was your homework to learn the rule number 1. Hope so you have done this. Now what we have to do, what should we do to make the plural form if the word end with the letter y? If the y is there at the end of the word, then how we make the plural form? We have to do two things here. Okay, first just check the word city, city, lady, lady, and baby, baby. These are the 3 words. Okay, the last letter is y in all words. Last letter is the y. But here we have to check before y what is coming. What comes here? This is the T. This is the D. This is the B. Do you know about the vowels and consonant? There are 26 letters in alphabet. Okay, the 26 alphabets are there. Among the 26, 5 are vowels. You learned this in the KG1 or KG2. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Okay. Leave these vowels if before the Y, if the consonant is there. That means if 5 vowels are there, then 21 consonants are there. And before Y, if the consonant is there, that time we have to cut the Y, okay? And we have to join IES. And we can make the plural form to join IES. Let's see. CITY, city. The last letter is T. Okay, the last letter is T. Before last letter, which letter is there? T. T is a consonant. So, because the consonant is there, when we want to make the plural form of city, that time cut this Y, okay, and join IES. That means CIT, IES. Cut that Y, drop that Y. Okay, here LADY, lady. The last letter is Y. Before Y, consonant is there. D is a consonant. The consonant is there, so we have to cut the Y and join IES. Ladies. Lady, ladies. Baby. Before Y, B is there. B is also a consonant. So cut that Y and join IES. Babies. City, cities. Lady, ladies. Baby, babies. What a second rule, third rule says? If the noun that end in a consonant followed by Y change into the plural form by changing Y to I and then ES. The simple way I'm saying you, when you see the last letter is Y, then what to do? Check the before letter of the Y. Is it consonant or vowel? Oh, CITY, city. The before Y, T is there and T is a consonant. So cut that Y, drop that Y and join IES. It's plural now. Lady, LADY, lady. Y. Before Y, check which letter is there. It is D. D is a consonant, a vowel. Oh, it's consonant. So drop that Y and join R-E-S. L-A-D-R-E-S, ladies. Baby, babies. The last letter is Y, but before Y, consonant is there. Then drop that Y and join R-E-S. Okay? Now what will we have to, what should we have to do when before Y vowel is there? Here K-E-Y, the last letter is Y. The last letter is Y. But before Y, which letter you can see here? E. And the E is vowel. E is vowel. T-O-Y. The last letter of the noun is Y, but before Y, O is there and O is a vowel. B-O-Y. Here also before Y, O is there and O is a vowel. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Y is there, but before Y, vowel is there, E. Now what to do? How should we make the plural of these nouns? Very simple. Just check the letter. If the just check the word. If the words end with the letter Y and before Y vowel is there, A-E-I-O-U is there, that time just join yes and make the plural form. Key, kids, toy, toys, boy, boys, monkey, monkeys. Got it? And if Y is the last letter and before Y consonant is there, that time drop the Y and join R-E-S. And if the last letter is Y and before Y vowel is there, that time leave that Y there only. Okay, don't do anything to that Y. Just join yes to that word and make the plural form. K-E-Y key, K-E-Y-S keys. T-O-Y toy, T-O-Y-S toys. B-O-Y boy, B-O-Y-S boys. M-O-N-K-E-Y monkey, M-N-O-K-E-Y-S monkeys. Got it? It is so easy. Then we will see our fourth rule. Only 5 rules are there. These are so easy. Now we know generally we join yes and make the plural form. If the noun ends with the CH, SH, X, Z or O, that time we have to join ES and make the plural. If the word ends with the letter Y, that time we have to drop that Y sometime and join IES, or sometimes we can join S only. Now what we have to do when the word ends with letter F or FE, F or FE. When the letter ends with the F or FE, that time drop this F and join VES. L-E-A-F, leaf. What is the last letter is here? F. If the last letter is F, that time cut that F. Okay, drop that F and join VES. Leave the other spelling like this only. L-E-A-F, okay. So drop the F, write L-E-A and join VES, leaves. Leaf, leaves. Here, T-H-R-E-F, thief. The last letter is F. When you want to make the plural form, that time, cut that F, drop that F and join VES. Wolf, wolves, elf, elves. What we have done here? We have cut that F and joined VES. W-O-L-F, wolf, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. E-L-F, elves, then E-L-V-E-S, elves. Cut that F and join VES. Okay. Now, here are some also naughty words are here. Naughty word, that means those who don't follow the rule. That time what should we supposed to do? We have to join yes and make the plural form. Those words are not following rules. That time we have to join yes and make the plural. CHEF, chef. Chef, that means who cook and yummy food. Okay, so CHEF, chef, the last letter of the word is F. But here we cannot drop the F and join VES because these are the naughty words. These are the naughty words. So we have to join yes only. Chef, chefs, giraffe, giraffes, and roof, roofs. My dear kids, these things are different from the other words. Okay, these words are different from the other words because these words are not following rules. Just remember, learn that word. Okay, no option. Learn that word and keep it in your mind. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Here we have completed the rule. Only 5 rules are there. Don't worry if you are any confusion. I'll explain you again on the book. I'll write so you can understand it better. But hope so this chapter we have learned 3 times here. Okay. In April 2 times we have learned and now also 1 time, that means 3 times we have learned. One more time I'm going to explain. Okay. Hope so you understood. We'll take the revision one more time. Don't worry. Some nouns are irregular noun. That means sheep. What is the plural form of sheep? Sheep only. Okay, we should not join yes, ies, ves. No, sheep, sheep. If the single sheep is there, sheep only. If the more than one sheep is there, sheep only. If the one hair is there, oh, my hair is getting white, it's get white. Okay, but if I want to talk about the hair, one hair, also hair, more than one hair, also hair. So singular and plural form are the same. Sheep, sheep, hair, hair, deer, deer. We should not say deers, okay? Deer, deer, and here the present tense. Okay. Now, some words are different, like a man. So we cannot say mans. The plural form of the man is man. Whatever these words are now, a few singular nouns from their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. Sometimes the M-A-N, A vowel is there. So we have to change that vowel and we have to make the plural form. So we will write these words in our notebook. Okay, so don't worry about this also. Man, men, tooth, teeth, child, children. Okay. Now here we have completed our 3rd chapter. But I think it's little bit confusing. What I am going to do, I'll explain this on a notebook. Okay, so let's do the and one more thing I want to share with you. In English, we have completed 3 chapters. Okay, how many chapters we have completed? 3 chapters. In story fun, that means YLE, we have completed 1 chapter, and in grammar we have completed 3 chapters. Near about all notes also we have completed. Okay, but maybe some children could not complete notes. For those and those who want to recheck their notes, for those children I am sending you notes. Suppose I am sending you, I'll send 3 chapter notes of English. Okay, just download it and check your answers. If something is incomplete, then complete it. And other teachers also will give the notes to complete it. Suppose I'm giving you a note today on Saturday. Suppose I'm giving you notes on the Saturday. I'll give you the period till Monday. Okay, I'll give you 2 or 3 days to complete this. So as per your suitable time, as per your parents' suitable time, sit and complete the notes. About English, we have completed notes. Grammar, we are completing now. Story fun also we have completed. Whatever the notebook part is there, I'll send you. We will discuss through the video, and then whenever you get suitable time, as per your suitable time, you can copy down in your notebook. Got it? If you have any queries regarding this, just send me your queries, send me your doubts to the mail. Okay? Now let's see. I'll explain you on a book also. Here I'm going to close.